Hi everyone, welcome to Genshin Memories. Today I'll show you a really exciting and fun video. First I'm gonna show you two different video clips. Let's see if you can find the difference. At the end of the video, I'll explain the difference. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
So close, stay cool! Well, you couldn't have done it without Paimon!
So did you see it? Well, if you have found it, then please let me know in the comment section. We'll discuss the answer at the countdown of There are several differences between those two video clips, such as background music, the fish that I've caught, or in-game time, or the traveler's level, etc. But the most important one is the correct answer of this riddle. Let's hear it from our bestest travel companion.
Paimon would like to announce that the correct answer to the riddle is the widely adored Paimon!
So in the second clip, Paimon appears out of nowhere and took the credit. But that's not possible, right? Because during fishing, Paimon never appears. So how did that happen? When the Fountain region first released, there was a glitch. If you use a water portal and call the Paimon at the same time, then Paimon will stick around you and follow you wherever you go. When you teleport really far away, she will follow you and come to you. Like this. I think Paimon is running late. Let's speed up a little bit, shall we? Now you know the logic behind the mysterious appearance of Paimon during fishing. So now enjoy a third clip where I have depicted the reaction of a regular person when Paimon shamelessly took the credit out of nowhere.
So close, stay cool!
Where did Paimon come from? Am I dreaming or something?
Well, you couldn't have done it without Paimon!
I am so done with this game!
Hi guys, if you have made it till the end, I just wanted to say thank you for watching the video and please consider subscribing and sharing this video. That means a lot to me, and also thank you very much for watching again. See you in the next video. Peace.